this is how I made $63,774 in a single trade. That's Tesla. Yes, how exactly I made $63,000 on Tesla in a single trade today. So we're going to analyze in details, and you can learn some things or tricks or some patterns on how to approach the market and how to really generate this kind of profit from your side. But if you're interested more, join the group down on the link below, and you can follow me on Instagram. The link is down in the description, and come to the group. You will make the profit. The guys are making already the profit in the group. They're trading along with me, and they are loving the group. So getting back to this trade, so look here. First, I'm going to show you right here, $63,000. As you see right here, $63,774 financial instrument, that is Tesla. And today I traded Tesla, made $63,000. If you go and watch my previous video, I made almost around $40,000 and just about $40,000. And in 2 days I generated $100,000 just in Tesla, just in trading Tesla. So let's analyze here. So see here, this is 15 minutes chart. Okay, hold on. So this is right here, the market open, right? The market open, and the market open, and we were looking for some clean patterns in the market. And as I got the confirmation, I was just waiting for this build up here and waiting for the minor pullback, and we start entering the trade at a particular point where I got the confirmation. And how will I approach the market and how will I not? First of all, I was seeing the volume exactly here. Okay, the volume was pretty heavy, pretty solid, and that was a pretty clear confirmation for me that was a clean buy side. So there was a clean buy side and just had a minor pullback right here. And again, that was a beautiful pullback, that what I was looking for. So I will give you the exact thing here. So minor pullback right here, and in this pullback I was looking to enter, because in this pullback right here, and I entered, which is $238, and just made that beautiful write-up, and we got that beautiful $63,774 on the single trade. But again, I got some few doubts in myself that if this stock flushes down hard, because usually this is the second day that Tesla is really rising so hard, and after a long time Tesla is having such a beautiful, amazing volume on a very green side, and that should be really shocking the investors, shocking the hedge funds, the institutions, all who were kind of betting against Tesla. And this was also kind of like a short squeeze, and also the buying side power was pretty much higher and higher. So got the confirmation right here, 238, and got into it. And for me, the main thing was here. Let me just get into detail here. Can you see it right here? Let me just draw a line on this candle, this Doge candle, or red Doge candle, and that was a confirmation for me to get in the stock. So here, when it dipped down exactly $238, I just bought the stock. That made a clear confirmation for me to get in the stock. And then, of course, the next thing I know that this stock is going to rip up on the upper side. And here, when I got the confirmation, of course, because they were buying and selling pressure, they were both fighting for selling pressure was more, and also the buying side was pretty solid and aggressive, and that clear made me the confirmation that I have to run into this. So this beautiful confirmation on a 5-minute chart, and I just got that beautiful write-up. And again, And again, so how will I know the levels that I am gonna exit or on or not? Again, you can join the group and you can see in the group and when I exit exactly, when I enter exactly, because I let know the guys in the group that when I am entering exactly, when I am exiting exactly, I have the exact price, so you can trade side by side with me. You can grow your portfolios, and if you have any doubt, you can ask, and in more details, you can go and take advantage of this, folks. Take advantage of this. Just don't be shy. Just don't remain behind. Tesla, again, I'm going to show you here. Tesla, $63,774 on a single trade. Tesla. Look at right here on a single trade. So let me just pull this down back on a daily chart. The analysis, how it goes on a daily chart here. Here on an analysis, that $248 Tesla is sitting right now, and I see that Tesla, hold on. Okay. Here we go. Got it. $247 right now sitting, and as I told you, this stock is looking to touch $266.68. This is the next level that this stock will look to touch, $266. We are still on a very bullish side on Tesla. As I told you, I announced you before that this stock will go to $260, and this will be a beautiful swing trade. And if you would have taken the trade right at $214 when I really announced in my video, if you go and see that, you will see, and you will enter the trade and exit even now and make a ton of a profit. And that's why I'm telling you, join the group. You will have all the kind of confirmations when to enter, when to exit, and you can make a lot of profit. I know you guys just you want to be rich, but you're acting poor because you just cannot afford any group. You guys want every single thing free on this planet. It's not going to work like that. You give something and you get something. Of course, that's how it's going to work. So right here, $266.68. That's the first level, the beautiful level that we will gonna touch. And after that, possibly we're gonna have a beautiful pullback, and that pullback can also come to $247 and get stuck right there. So if it gets to $247 right here, and again it might also consolidate, and also the next level can reach is $278. But I think so this will go to $266 and flush back down to $247 or $250, kind of like a support, and also tight consolidation between $266 and $250 can also have a tight consolidation. Once we have that consolidation or just clear the consolidation period, of course we can then shoot up towards $270 or $280. And again, is this a good stock to buy for a long term? Of course, it's a very good stock to buy for the long term. We are looking for the all-time high to break that $415, but again, this might take a little while because Tesla just now we got on a very positive side. Look at this, and look at this. Back-to-back days we were having so nasty days. Right from $260, we just flushed back down to $138. So this was a massive drop here. Anyone who just took advantage for this, of course, if they bought it, of course you can never know exact rock bottom of the stock, of course, but you can just keep on buying only if you're a believer in this kind of companies, only if you really know how to read the charts and how to make your own analysis, how to read the statistics, the earnings, the cash and all, whatever. I'm not going to talk in detail. I'm just telling the charts. If you know how to read the charts, of course, if you know how to read the company statistics, of course, you will make a move. But if you don't, again, join the group. You can be guided and you will have amazing benefits and you can grow your portfolio. This is just my idea how I approach the market. But if you want, you can join and you can learn from there and you can benefit for your own self. So on a weekly chart, if I go, you see here on a weekly chart, we have a massive and a beautiful hammer candle right here. So again, we are trying to go back to $268 right here. The $268, this is the level that this stock is trying to touch now, but the volume is very consistent. Since a month, the volume is being on a very solid side. This is one candle represents absolutely a week, means 5 working days. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth week. That's literally a month that this stock is getting massive attention from the investors, from the hedge funds, institutions, banks, and individual investors or retail investors, whatever you can call, or also can also be a part of a short squeeze because but of course the stock was not having a massive short interest, but of course there were hedge funds and institutions who were betting against the stock because of the Tesla, because Tesla was not into a place since a long while. Look at this, literally got down 50% right here from back right back from here from 2023 September 18th to right down to 2024 22nd of April. So we had back to back worst days in the history of Tesla, and this was really nasty, of course. And even if you see here the same pattern repeated, got a little pull on the upper side, on the upper side, and again we just pulled back. Do you think that this stock will again come back to $300 and flush it down? Can be possible. This can be a different scenario. If the company will have some bad news, or if this company will, let's say they will not come out with the next earnings really solid, or if they come out some kind of glitchy earnings or some kind of mixed earnings, of course then this stock will flush down again, and that can be an absolute dip buy. But again, play or trade very carefully, invest very carefully. Don't just jump into any stock just you like the car and just go and buy the stock. It just doesn't work like that. If you like this company, read about the company, read about the statistics, and see how the company works and how the earnings and how all the other statistics are. You just keep in mind, educate yourself a little bit with the company. Just don't listen to someone and just buy the stock. Just don't do that. Educate yourself. That's what I'm telling. If you don't know how to, just join the group. We have amazing people in the group, and you'll learn from them. And people are start making profit in my group, and they are loving it. They are loving it. So thank you so much for watching, and probably see you in the next video with some more amazing things. Watch my previous video on Tesla, how I made more than $40,000 in a single trade, and this is how I generated just in 2 days $100,000. And that literally, if you're smart enough, of course you can generate millions, but approach very smartly in the market, because market is beautiful but also very dangerous. If you have no idea, it'll just eat up all your money, and there is no refund in the market. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the group. Follow me on Instagram, the link is down in the description below. Follow me on Instagram.